Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video, I want to show you how to do affiliate marketing using email. Now, this is something I've talked about before, and it's something I'm going to continue to talk about just because it is so easy. Once you get it down, once you understand the process, it makes it very easy to take a simple landing page, take some cold traffic, turn them into an email subscriber, and then you sell them on some end product or end service, goal, whatever it is. Okay. So I want to show you how to do affiliate marketing using email. Now right here, I'm using a software. This is actually called Kajabi. You can see right here. This is what it is. So here's a simple landing page that I just threw together. You can see here I have no conversions. And the reason why is because I actually send all my traffic over to a software called Convertkit. So anyway, we'll get to that and I'll explain all that to you in just a second and kind of how it works. But here's what I'd recommend you do. Now, if you want to use Kajabi, you can. Let's see. So here's Kajabi right here. If you want to get it, this is like an all-in-one suite. Actually, let's change to monthly. Most people will probably pay monthly, so $130 a month for the basic package. And really, that's all you need to get started. But you can sell 5 products, and it gives you 25,000 emails a month. Okay. This is the reason why I want to show you this, because this is pretty much it will do your landing pages, it will do your emails, it will do upsells, it will build a website, it does pipelines, gives you a membership site as well. So you can really do an all-in-one solution right here. But let's say you're going to get people in because obviously you want to make money. It doesn't mean if you're doing affiliate marketing, doesn't mean you just have to do affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing. You can sell products. You can sell services, courses. You can do so many other things. You can build a whole website associated with your page. But here's what I'd recommend: is build a simple landing page, something like this. Okay, so this is my beginner's guide to Amazon FBA. Learn the business the right way. They click the button, they get and put in their name and email address, and they get the free report. Okay, which is this one right here, the beginner's guide to Amazon FBA. So it gives them a whole thing. What is it? Where you get inventory, different types of businesses, private label, wholesale, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, keys to being successful, all that stuff. Okay. Now, I know I'm going fast, but I don't want to make this video too long because there's a lot of stuff I could honestly cover in this. So I just want to hit the main points. So they go and opt in. They put in their name, email address. Convertkit sends them this guide. When they get it, somewhere in here, there is a link to this page. This is not actually on Kajabi. This is hosted from another, it's on a WordPress theme from, I don't remember where. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But somewhere on there, on this email, they will get a link to this page, the Amazon FBA tools I use. Being that they are beginners, okay? This is why this is so important, and this is why I say this is more like the beginner's guide to affiliate marketing as well, is because when you target beginners, it doesn't just have to be with Amazon FBA, it doesn't have to be with affiliate marketing. It could be with something like sewing, could be with something as simple as kitchen lighting, whatever it is. All you have to do is send them, once you get their email address, and so this is Kajabi right here. So I can click on email marketing, and you see there's nothing set up. Like I said, I use Convertkit. But if I wanted to do it all right here, I'd click a new email broadcast. I'd start to do all this stuff. Okay, I'd put in the title, and I'd create the whole thing. Okay, and then I would send it to the people that opted into this free report. The nice thing about doing this is once they get it and they read, let's say they read it, and let's say this is the guide. Okay, it's beginner's guide to kitchen lighting. What's going to happen is you're going to send them back to your Kajabi website, or you're going to send them to some article you wrote or a video or whatever it is, because you want to provide value. The whole point of this is to provide as much value as possible. So what I do inside this email is I send them to my website. Well, I send them, you can see here, send them to Amazon to set up a seller account. I can send them to a private label course, to different services, Jungle Scout, Merchant Words, Keepa, Alibaba, my wholesale course, talking about retail arbitrage, 10-day free trial of OA X-ray. And so anyway, a lot of those are affiliate links. But I think at the very bottom, I send them to this page to show them the tools that I use. So if they come here and they decide they want to buy this Dymo label printer, you can see at the bottom of my screen down there is that it sends them to Amazon. That's an affiliate link. this one right here, this is the exact barcode scanner I use. Love it, and it sends them to Amazon. The laser printer I use sends them to Amazon. The shipping scale I use sends them to Amazon. The scan fob, the KDC, Profit Bandit, Neat Receipts. This is what I use to keep all my receipts in order. Scotty Peeler, Goo Poly Bags. This is a set, 3-inch tape, Inventory Lab, Be Cool, OA X-Ray, GoDaddy, all that stuff. Okay, awesome. This is the main way I'm making money from this email list. Okay, also have this exact same page set up with Convertkit. So right here, Convertkit allows you to create forms, and you can put them right on the site, and it'll say powered by Convertkit. Convertkit's the one that's hosting the form. You just have to put the HTML code into your website. Now that's a little bit more. There's a little bit more to it. That's not the easiest thing to do. The easiest thing, obviously, to use Kajabi, the all-in-one suite, and just go that route. But if you want to save money, you can use Convertkit and self-host the site yourself. Somewhere else, using Bluehost or HostGator or something like that. And so send me the guide, put in your name and email address, and send me the guide. Wonderful. Okay. So I have that one here, and I also have it here. Okay, and they all get sent over to Convertkit, and they all get put in my email list, and then I send them that guide. Okay. Then that guide, somewhere in there, there's a bunch of affiliate links, and then somewhere in there they get sent to here. And this, honestly, the best selling product that I have is actually the shipping scale. I think just in December alone, I think I did about there's a little bit over 200 sales of just this shipping scale. So it does really well. But that's the thing you need to understand. When you're doing affiliate marketing using email, it's not that hard. It's not that hard to set up the back end stuff. The hardest part, and the thing that's going to take the longest, is really building up that email list. Okay, so once you have this page, or you have this page, or whatever it is, you need to start promoting it. You need to start promoting it on YouTube, on Google, Google AdWords, using paid ads, using free methods, using Facebook, whatever you can do to get traffic to it. Okay, because honestly, doing affiliate marketing using email, it's easy. It does take a little bit to perfect that craft, because honestly, writing the best, look at this subject line. My Amazon FBA clients are very successful. See why. Now, that wasn't what it used to be, but I found out by doing a bunch of testing, this one converts a lot higher. More people will click through. Okay, this one, Beginner's Guide to Amazon FBA. What I didn't want to do is ... What I found out is by putting those 3 dots at the end of my emails, it changes the way some of the, like Google and Yahoo, some of these email services, a lot of them send them straight to spam when you use ... Okay, simply because that's what a lot of spammers use. And a lot of spammers use that. So you need to really perfect the way you write these headlines. Okay, so again, I just want to kind of explain to you, one of the tips that I have for you guys when you're doing any type of email marketing is you have to test to see what's working. Okay, now where's that at? So you can see here, this is all stuff you get with Kajabi. Where's that at? Landing pages. There we go. So they're landing pages. And you can do pipelines, you can do all this stuff, reports, integrate it. So let's say I was doing a landing page. Let's see. I guess it doesn't matter. But anyway, I was going to show you how you can integrate it with Convertkit, but honestly, you don't need both of them. If you just want one, Convertkit, I thought I had the pricing. Convertkit is, I think the lowest price is like $29 a month. I highly recommend it. Convertkit works out very well. You can see, it's not like the best site. Honestly, what's better, this one or I should have kept it, or this one? Which better? This one actually would probably convert better than this one. Well, actually, it does convert a little better. But anyway, you get the point. It's a little bit nicer set up. I also use a service called Clickfunnels. I've showed videos on that before. That one works very well, but if you don't pay for the whole suite there, then you got to get outside email as well. So it increases your cost a little bit. So honestly, using Kajabi for $130 a month is probably going to be one of the best things you can do, because it's all in one, and it makes it so simple. But anyway, I'm not saying you need Kajabi. You can do other things as well. But doing affiliate marketing is not that difficult. Okay, honestly, it isn't. Let's say you come here and you make this entire page, and you want to do a let's say you're looking at something like this. So what you're going to do is you decide you put in an email opt-in all the way at the top, and then you're talking about your different products. Then once you start sending traffic to it, that's the easy part. Is if somebody opts into your email list, then you can do a upsell that they get the email, but they can also get a one-time special offer for, I like to use $7, $17, and $37 as my kind of, one-time offers, just because those price points, anything with the 7, people like, I don't know the science behind it, but it's like their eyes are drawn to it and they want it just because it's a 7. If it's a 0, no. If it's a 9, no. Even if it was $5, so $2 less than 7, that's not necessarily a great deal. When people see 7, I don't know what the lucky 7s are, I'm not sure, but so all you have to do. Now, I know I say all you have to do, and honestly, there's more to it than that. But hopefully you're getting the idea, things are kind of clicking in your head, how this works. But what you do is you put like an email opt-in right here. Okay, let me see if I can test. See if I can create something really quick. So it'll kind of give you a better understanding of how this works, but it's not that hard. It takes a little bit of time to get it all set up. But once it's set up, you can pretty much automate the whole thing. Okay, you just keep sending traffic to it. You'll keep doing all this stuff. Let's see. So right up here, all we have to do is down here. Let's look, see if they have a. Get started now. What does this button do? Goes to URL, Kajabi. What we could do is actually change it to do an email. So we can do add a section, and we can do, let's see, opt-in form, or we can just do an opt-in form like that. So it's going to look something like this. And then let's add that. Okay. Hello. Well, then we need to figure out which form we want to put to it. But that's really all it is. Okay. Then we take that. Let's save it. Let's go back, and we take this whole opt-in form and move it. Say we move it all the way up to the top. Now we'll get there. There we go. There it is. So then all we got to do is fix this whole thing and start making it look exactly how we want it. Okay. You can change this. You can add some pictures. You can probably add a video. Yeah, you add a picture. We can do it. We change it out and add a video. There's so many things you can do with it, honestly. But I just want to show you that this does work. Email marketing is not that complicated. It does take a little bit of time. As an affiliate, it is not impossible to make $100 a day on day one. Okay, you can easily make $100 a day on day one as long as you have traffic going to your landing page, whichever one it is. Honestly, it doesn't matter. You just have to figure out a way to get them there. And the best way to do it, in my opinion, to become an affiliate marketer, and this is something that I've talked about this before. I talked about inside my Affiliate Marketing Monsters course. That will be one of the links in the description box below if you want to check it out. But this is one of the best ways, is you get people to opt into an email. You for one may be one of my subscribers inside my email list. I have no idea. If you are, you've seen some of the stuff that I release. You see some. I'm not always selling. I send out emails not very often, but I'm still there. You still see them. Okay. One of the best ways is to offer some free gift. Give them a free gift. Give them just an immense amount of value, and then in the end you can sell them on. Just promote different products. You can promote services. You can promote courses. You can really do whatever you want. This is your business. You can run it any way you want to. So if you guys have any questions on affiliate marketing or doing email marketing, let me know. I'll help you out the best I can. But honestly, 2018, if you have one goal this year, I'd recommend you make a bigger email list. That is one of my bigger goals, is to really add to my email list. and really build that, because honestly, the bigger list you have and the more targeted they are, the more money you should be able to make. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. If you want more videos just like this, some of the software that I'm using, some of the things that I'm thinking as I'm creating this stuff, some of the stuff that's really going on in my head, let me know. Comment below. Let me know what you want to see, want to learn, and I'll help you out the best I can. But if you're not yet a subscriber, subscribe to my channel today, and I'll see you guys on the next video.